Hey everyone, it's Jerry Moras. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for Calgary homebuyers: how to avoid properties that can turn your dream into a financial nightmare. Buying the wrong property can cost you tens of thousands in lost value, repairs, or make it nearly impossible to sell. I'll break down the specific types of properties you should avoid in Calgary, based on real-world experience. We'll cover key red flags, risky locations, problematic property types, and hidden long-term costs. Think of this as your essential buyer's guide to protect your investment and build future wealth. From busy roads and flood zones to tricky building types, you'll learn how to spot red flags and make confident decisions. Let's get started. Let's talk location. Properties on busy roads or near highways might seem like a bargain, but the constant noise, dust, and pollution can ruin your daily life. These issues don't just affect comfort, they make resale much harder, especially for families concerned about safety. Future city projects like road expansions can make things even worse. That initial discount quickly disappears when you're stuck with a property that's tough to sell. Always consider what's planned for the area before you buy. Properties next to CTrain tracks, major bus stops, schools, or underflight paths come with constant noise and privacy issues. While proximity to transit or schools sounds convenient, the reality is daily disruptions and crowded streets. These factors shrink your pool of future buyers. Most people want a quiet retreat, not a property with built-in chaos. Don't let convenience blind you to long-term headaches. High-voltage power lines and cell towers are a big turnoff for many buyers, regardless of what the science says. The perception of health risks and the visual impact lower your property's value and make it harder to sell. You'll have to price aggressively and wait longer for a buyer. These are permanent features you can't change. Avoid properties with these deal breakers looming nearby. Calgary's history with flooding means you must be cautious about flood zones. Insurance is expensive or unavailable, and you're legally required to disclose flood risk when selling. This scares off buyers and drives down your price. Always check the City of Calgary's flood maps before making an offer. Understand the difference between floodway and flood fringe. A tempting price rarely outweighs the long-term risks. Ground floor and below-grade condos may be cheaper, but they come with privacy, security, and moisture issues. These units are more prone to break-ins and often feel dark and damp. Mold and mildew are common, and resale is tough. Most buyers prefer upper floors for light and safety. Think twice before trading price for long-term livability. High condo fees and weak reserve funds can turn a good deal into a money pit. Always review the reserve fund study. It's the building's financial health report. Underfunded reserves mean special assessments, which can cost you thousands. Don't skip a professional condo document review. A little diligence now saves huge headaches later. Protect your investment by knowing exactly what you're buying into. Condos built in the late 60s to early 80s may have post-tension cables, a hidden risk. These cables can corrode, leading to massive repair bills and special assessments. Lenders and insurers may avoid these buildings. Always check for post-tension construction and review engineering reports. Don't risk a financial disaster for a seemingly good deal. Condos are affordable, but their long-term investment potential often lags behind single-family homes. You don't own the land, and you're subject to condo board decisions and rising fees. Special assessments can wipe out your gains. Detached homes with suites offer more control, cash flow, and appreciation. For building wealth, land ownership usually wins. Buying new in a developing community. If you need to sell soon, you'll compete directly with the builder. Builders offer incentives and customization, making your used home less attractive. You may have to sell at a loss if the area isn't fully built out. Only buy new if you plan to stay long-term. Otherwise, you risk losing money. Old homes have charm, but often hide expensive problems. Outdated wiring, asbestos, lead pipes, and leaky foundations. Repairs are costly and unpredictable. These properties are best left to experienced renovators. For most buyers, the risks outweigh the romance. Don't let nostalgia drain your finances. Avoid buying the priciest home in the neighborhood. Surrounding lower-priced homes drag down your appreciation potential. Appraisers use nearby sales, making it hard to justify a high price. Buy a modest home in a great area and improve it over time. Let the neighborhood's value lift yours. Court sales and foreclosures promise deals, but come with big risks. You buy as is, often with no inspection or conditions. Hidden problems can cost thousands, and the process is uncertain. Other buyers can outbid you in court at the last minute. These are best for seasoned investors with cash and high-risk tolerance. For most buyers, the gamble isn't worth it. Former marijuana grow-ops carry a permanent stigma and major health risks. Mold, unsafe wiring, and costly remediation are common. Disclosure is mandatory, scaring off most buyers. These homes are tough to sell and expensive to fix. The risks far outweigh any potential deal. Overly customized homes or odd layouts drastically limit your buyer pool. Most buyers want standard functional spaces. Unique features often mean longer time on market and lower prices. You'll likely have to discount for buyers to normalize the home. Stick to layouts with broad appeal for better resale. Mobile homes without land ownership are rarely good investments. You pay rising lease fees, have little control, and the home itself depreciates. Financing is harder to get, and you're at the mercy of park management. Land is what appreciates, not the structure. For long-term wealth, look elsewhere. Watch for aging retaining walls. They're expensive to replace and can cause major damage. Oddly shaped lots or steep slopes limit usability and resale. Beware of lipstick flips, cosmetic updates hiding deeper issues. Look for signs of shoddy workmanship, and always get a thorough inspection. Don't be fooled by fresh paint, check the fundamentals. A good inspector is your best defense. There you have it. Key red flags to avoid in Calgary real estate. The goal isn't to scare you, but to empower you to make smart, informed decisions. A low price is often a warning sign, not a bargain. Professional guidance is invaluable for navigating these pitfalls. Protect your investment by working with an experienced advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy house hunting.